Question 5a, you're given the graph in the format of the turning point notation. Now the turning point notation gives us the x value, which is h. So in this case, h is going to equal -1 and k is equal to 8 or -1, 8 for the turning point. What then remains for us to do is to expand that and to find the x-intercepts. Before I do that, I better tell you the y-intercept, of course. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8, or actually, I better expand that. I have to expand that. So y is equal to -2 x squared plus 2x plus 1, perfect square, plus 8. So expanding this to really work a lot more with this. So therefore, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, or the point 0, 4. Now, the x-intercepts, commonly referred to as the zeros, we have to factorize that expression, but we'll put the statement when y is equal to 0. It's plus 8, sorry. 0, 6. So factorizing that, we get that, and hopefully you can quickly see x is equal to 3, x is equal to -1. Now I note now the question hasn't asked us to actually graph it, but it's a very, very good procedural thing for you to do so. Just needs a simple set of crosshairs. It's going to have the shape of an upside down parabola. 6 here. Turning point was -1, 8. And the -3 and 1 as our intercepts, and just joining that through. It's a little bit skew with, but you can see the general pattern there as we go. Now I'll quickly take you through questions, or part B rather now. So working through this next question, the first thing I've got to do is just to take that negative out as a common factor. And you'll see when I do that, I'm left with negative, lots of x squared minus 10x minus 30. I want the turning point, halving and squaring that. And of course, when I do that, that'll be plus 25. Which is the HK notation, 5, -5. The y-intercept is at 0, -30. I'm hoping at this stage that you can read that off. The shape is of the upside down parabola variety. And when I sketch this up, what you'll notice is something a little unusual perhaps. And you can check this on your calculator if you wish. There are no x-intercepts. Now if you want, check that out on your calculator as well just to confirm.